go to the Effects library. Under the Generators section, select Solid Color and drag it onto the timeline. Now, place the playhead on the solid color clip. Then go to the top right corner and open the inspector. Here, you can change the color to any one you like. Next, go to the toolbox, then select Video Transitions. Scroll down and find Triangle Right. Drag and drop it onto the left edge of the solid color clip. Let's play it back and see how it looks. Now, click on the Triangle Right transition, and again go to the inspector on the top right. Enable the border option to give it a nice, polished look. And there you have it, simple and clean. First, select the solid colored box. Now, hold the Alt key and drag your new shape over the solid box to place it on top. Head over to the top right corner where the inspector panel is located. Change the shape from a right-facing triangle to a left-facing triangle. Now pick your desired color. In my case, I am choosing cyan. Once that's done, click on the triangle left shape. Go back to the inspector panel and add a border to it. Let's see how it looks. Alright. First, go to the toolbox and drag the title element. Place it on top of the solid color triangle on the left side. Now, click on the title box, then head over to the top right corner, right where the inspector is. Here, you can change the text, color, and size to match your style. Let's play it once and see how it looks. Next step, go back to the toolbox, drag the triangle left shape, and place it right at the top left corner of your text box. Looks clean and stylish, right? Let's play it again. Hold down the Alt key and select both the solid color box and the text box. Now press Ctrl B to group them together. Move your cursor slightly to the right, just enough space to place another set. Again. Hold Alt, select both boxes, and press Ctrl B to group them. Now, highlight the solid color box to change the background. And then select the text box to update the text color. Let's play that once. Oh wow, that looks awesome. Next, hold down the Alt key and select both the solid color box and the text box. Then drag them together and place them at the top of the frame, like this. Now, go to the Video Transitions panel, scroll down to Shape, and drag the barn door transition onto the solid color layer. the top right corner and open the inspector. From there, change the color of the solid background as needed. Select the text box again, go back to the inspector, and update the text color. Next, select the barn door transition again and drag it to the left side of the text box like this for a neat reveal effect. To finish it off, give the barn door box a subtle border at the end for a clean look, and make any final tweaks to your text color. Give the subtle border at the end for a clean look, and make any final tweaks to your text color. Next, head over to the top left corner and open the toolbox. Under Generators, select 4-color gradient and drag it onto the barn door text box. Now, still in the generator settings, adjust the gradient colors. Set the top left and bottom right corners to black. For the top right and bottom left, choose your preferred colors. I am using magenta and purple. Next, go to Video Transitions. Scroll down to the white section and drag the edge white transition onto the left corner of the 4-color gradient box. After that, go back to the toolbox and drag title onto the timeline. Change the title to your channel name. Increase the text size and go into the Shading tab to change the gradient. To adjust the mapping angle and size. Finally, place your animated video, download it from your browser, into the timeline. Click on Animated Video. After go to Composite Mode, change Normal to add looks like this. After adjust text alignment. add logo on top of animated video, same as go to composite mode, change normal to add looks like this. Adjust logo size.